Y'all know anything about seed banks? I didn't know a whole lot about seed banks other than the main one that the United States keeps a whole bunch of seeds in case of, when it hits the fan. I also know how I bank my own seeds, but not long ago I was introduced to a different concept. Lush Dew. This cool wooden box. Y'all see that? It holds 32 different types of plants worth of seeds. It's actually a fig tree in here, seeds. And it's all organic, non-GMO. It's like an organizer for a grower so that y'all don't have to keep your stuff in seed packs. More preferably, probably would just want to just use the Lush Dew seeds. Inside it, you open it up and they've got this really cool chart right here. Maybe you can see it. Anyway, this chart details what's in this particular kit. This particular kit is an all-in-one high-yield raised bed garden seed kit. So I highly recommend getting it and trying it out. To make that easy for y'all, I'm gonna post in the description of the video 15% off discount utilizing Back to Eden code. So make sure you check there. You can copy and paste, tell them Creedmoor sent you. And what else can I say? I really like it because, and I'm going to show you this, it comes with the seed grow guide, and the seed grow guide is really cool because it tells you exactly how deep to plant the seeds, what the preferred temperature that the seed wants. It gives you some really, really good, valuable insight into, well, pretty much everything regarding growing your own seeds into plants. And in addition to that, I can see already that these seeds are really high quality. Maybe I can show you some of the Blue Lake beans. See if I can keep that steady enough for y'all to see. They are really, really high quality seeds. It looks like Lush Dew likes to focus on quality over quantity, and that's something that I can appreciate. If you're a new grower, something like this particular seed growing guide is going to be invaluable information to you. You don't have to go flipping through websites. You don't have to go digging through notes. It's all been consolidated. Everything that means something to a grower for their seeds is in here, and it makes it so much easier because everybody doesn't have a wealth of experience to fall back on. In any event, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be growing some of these seeds this season myself because I want to show y'all that the seeds are in fact quality seeds and that it is something that you probably like to do what with. Well, I'm going to make a silly suggestion coming to the holiday season. This thing would be a fantastic gift. If someone would have gifted Creedmoor this, y'all probably would have heard about it sooner if you haven't already. And other than that, I like the way that I could use up the seeds and then I could save seeds from those plants and then I can put those seeds back into the original containers. And if you want to evolve it even further, by all means, you can get the other kits. They have 2 other kits that I'm aware of. They may have more than that. Some of their kits are designed to work in specific zones, and they even have a kit that works as a companion plant kit. So you don't, it takes the guesswork out of figuring out what plants you want to plant as companions. Even in this kit right here, in particular, there are 4 different types of flowers that will go along as nice companions to the plants that are already in here. There's, I noticed another thing that's really cool because I just planted a bunch of them, but there's seeds for fig trees, seeds for strawberries. I mean, this is just a fantastic kit. And in my next video, y'all are going to see me actually planting some of these seeds. There's 2 tomato plants in here in particular that I believe I can grow in my greenhouse through the winter. I think they'll do fantastic. So I'm going to plant those. I'm going to show you how I use soil blocks. I'll show you how I use a little soil blocker to make soil blocks. And then we're going to use the seeds from the Lush Dew kit to do that. And that way y'all can get some, some first-hand visual, at least visual experience, seeing how the Lush Dew kits will grow. And, to that end, like I said, check the description of this video and you'll see a coupon code for y'all to use and a bunch of links for you to gain a better insight as to what products these guys are carrying. But, go forward without any fear. If I didn't feel really confident about promoting this particular product, I certainly wouldn't do it. I feel this company has good integrity, and from the reviews that I'm seeing from other growers, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them myself. So let's do this. Y'all check back here in a few days and I'm going to have some videos up showing you us planting these seeds. Peace and God bless.